Hello everyone, today I'm doing a review on this Olayks cold press juicer. The brand did send it to me in exchange of video review, and I'm excited to show you how it looks and share with my opinion and tell you everything you need to know. It came in this beautiful box. It can make a perfect gift. So let's go ahead and open this box.
We love having fresh juice, and I was super excited about this juicer. In a box, you get a manual. Also, you get a recipe book, which is awesome. The juicer is made from BPA-free material, ensuring that your juice is free of harmful chemical. This is the motor part, and that's how it looks. It also comes with two cups, one for juice and another for the waste. And this is the feeding part where you will put your fruits and vegetables. This juicer machine features a safety lock design. Helps you easy to assemble and disassemble in minutes. This juicer can extract various fruits and vegetables in a few minutes. It especially works great for veggies, which allows the juice to maintain its pure color, natural taste, vitamins and nutrition. No dirty hands and no splashing. Only a few seconds and you can drink a cup of juice with little pulp and foam. Low juicer can perfectly separate juice and pulp, extracting higher purity juice and preserving higher nutritional value. One standout feature is a reverse function, allowing for smooth operation and preventing clogs. Two-speed option is perfect for soft fruits like watermelon or oranges, and the higher speed setting is perfect for carrots and apples. Cleaning is very easy, and the parts are dishwasher safe, which is very convenient. Overall, the Olayks juicer combines efficiency, ease of use, and quiet operation, making an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned juicers alike. Whether you're juicing for health benefits or just for a refreshing drink, it delivers high-quality results while being simple to maintain. It's a solid investment for anyone looking to embrace a healthier lifestyle.
I absolutely love this cold press juicer and highly recommend this product.